video, I'm going to try some other new Maybelline products. I had already done a video on the Super Stay foundation from Maybelline, which is new, and I am currently wearing that. If you haven't seen that video, I'll post it above, but the link above. Yeah, I mean, I think that really, it looked nice all day, all night I should say. It worked for me. I think at the time I put a little too much on though, so this time I put a little less on, and I do already see and feel the difference. So I think that's what it was. I just have to put a little less on, and I think it's beautiful foundation. It really is. I think it looks natural, and it doesn't break up or anything. I really enjoyed that. I did. I liked it. And I had also tried the Total Temptation Shadow and Highlight Palette, which I thought was beautiful. I loved that look. I love this palette. I haven't used, actually I'm lying. I did do the purple look, and that came out really pretty. Very pretty. So, you know, if you want me to do a video, you could do that too. Just let me know. But right now, I'm going to try out the City Kids Urban Light Eye and Cheek Palette. So this is some really pretty colors. My only downfall with this is that they're all shimmer. There's no matte, and I like matte, but I like a little shimmer here and there. But I don't know if I want to do a whole look on all shimmers. They're not crazy shimmer, but they are pretty shimmery. I don't know if you can see that, but they're shimmery, and I don't particularly like a whole look. I like mattes, but what I'll do is I'll try it and we'll see how it goes. And I'm going to actually, I'm just going to go in with my Naked palette again, which I use all the time just to do the base on my eyelids. So I'm going to do that. That's done, and I also did a light transitional shade right underneath that. I mean, right above my eyelid. I did a transitional shade right above my eyelid as well. So let's get right into it. So basically what you have here is you have one look, one whole color with, you have a green, a yellow, a gray, and like a white. And then on this side is more like pinks and a purple in there. So you could use this set or this set. And then you have a highlighter and a blush to work with both. So yeah, let's get right to it. Okay, and I'm also going to try today, I don't know yet, I think actually I know what I'm going to do, because I did this already last time with a different color, which was really pretty, and it lasted for the most of the night. I have to say, I really enjoyed it. My lips did look a little dry at first, but I don't know, they weren't that bad. Maybe today what I'll do is try the Super Stay Matte Ink. We'll try that, see how that goes. I did on another occasion use it in this color, and you know, be ready for it to stay on, because they're not kidding when it says Super Stay, because that did not come off no matter what I did. I used a lip scrub and everything, and it just hardly come off. So, which is a good thing, I guess people want, but I don't know. We'll see. It depends on your situation for the day, I guess. Okay, so let's go in. Let's see, what am I going to do? I'm going to go with the green, and I'm going to go up right on top of that transitional shade that I did. Right below it, right above my eyelid. I mean, I like mattes with a little shimmer here. You know, especially because I have mature skin, so you read everywhere, oh, mature skin shouldn't wear the glitters and stuff. I mean, but I feel like the shimmers now are a little less glimmery, and you can get away with it. And like, we want to have fun too. Just because we're old doesn't mean we can't have fun too and look good, right? So as long as we do it a certain way. Okay, so that went on nice. I mean, I don't know if, does it look green to you? Ooh, that bird scared me. Okay, so shh, go away. Okay, so how about I go on with my lid I'll put on my lid. I'm gonna go in with the yellow over my lid. Wow, that's like vibrant. I just feel like it's too much shimmer for me, but I'm gonna now go in with that gray shimmery color on the edges. I mean, it's a lot of shimmer. Every shade is shimmery. I just personally don't think I like that so much. I don't get like a whole shimmery palette. Some people like that, I don't get it. I like their Total Temptation palette because it gives you mattes with 1 or 2 shimmers only, and that's what you want. You want more matte and then a little shimmer. This is 100% shimmer. So maybe I can use it with other palettes, which is fine. Okay. I'm gonna go in with the white because I want to use the whole one set of colors together. I'm just gonna go in here. See, it's just shimmer over shimmer over shimmer. Shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. Shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. Too much shimmer. Okay, whatever. Trying it. Okay, so let me go in with my eyeliner to finish the look. We'll see how the look looks completed, and we're gonna try, I'll show you the mascara as well. So, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I added some eyeliner, and now I'm gonna go in with the Total Temptation mascara, which is really nice, has a nice flat, like it's built good for your finger, your thumb. This mascara is great, I really enjoy it. Again, I don't wear falsies, so I need mascaras that make my eyelashes pop. Okay, done with the lashes. This mascara is really pretty. I'm going to be using this a lot, probably like mostly every day because I really like it. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the lips. First I'm going to put some lip liner on. I hate lip liner that you can't even see, but whatever. I don't want to go dark. So, pointless. Okay, so the Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick. Let's see how this color looks. This color is called, I know it's on here somewhere, Loyalist, okay? So, let's see. Has a flat tip, like, I don't know if that's, it's not a brush, but it's like a sponge. Wow. That's like pretty. It's like very, besides it being matte, it's very pigmented. Very pigmented. I don't like the color. I suddenly got transported back to my prom in high school when I wore this color. Yeah, not my color, but nice, and now I'm scared it's going to be stuck on my lips forever, like the other one was. Okay, well, I don't know about this video because honestly, the City Kits Urban Light palette, oh, we almost forgot to do the blush and the highlight. Oh my goodness. Okay, so, blush. I'm not a blush person either, but this is why I'm not a blush person, because I feel like a little doll now. But, oh. Okay. And now we'll go in with the highlighter. Oh, a lot of fallout on that. See, between the highlighted eyes, the blush on the cheeks, I don't like blush, just don't like blush. Okay, I'm not liking this look at all, but that's me. Maybe you can use these looks with other palettes, and it'll come out nice, a little touch of it. It's just too much shimmer. I'm shimmered out here. I'm shimmer all over, and I don't know. I just don't know if I like the colors. Like, this was supposed to be green. I mean, it's like a mint green, but not for me, personally. I do love their Total Temptation palette, though. I'm going to be using this, like, all the time. Love, love, love this. My lips are way too dry with this on. I'm going to have to put something. They're, like, sticking together. Not a fan of those. Maybe if I put a topper on, but now I'm scared that this is stuck on my... At least it's not a dark color. I can cover it. But, the highlight's not bad. Again, I just feel like, look, it's all over. I'm just not a fan of everything being shimmer. I like a touch of shimmer. I just don't like everything shimmer. Sorry, Maybelline. Honestly, I like your other products. These are great. I haven't tried this color though yet, but I really enjoy the other one, the brown one, in Provoked. That's the color. The red one is called Passionate. But the Urban Lights, I might pass on it. I mean, I don't know. If you like shimmer, then you're gonna love it. I don't know, it's just a little too much for me. This went for $11.99 on Ulta. That's where I got that from. So, yeah, I don't know, guys. You know, again, interesting look, a little different, but hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, guys, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. And till next time.